Hello, this video is about the Nobel Prize in Physics for 1916. But as you can see, the prize was not awarded due to World War I and no money was awarded us, and it was allocated to the special fund of the prize. And this has happened more often, as you can see. This has happened us in 1916, also in 1931, 1934, and 3 times in World War II, 1940, 1941 and 1942. And the prize has also been delayed several times for a year in 1914, 1917, 1980, 1921, 1924, 1925, 1928, 1932 and 1933. Dus 9 times. Well, if is there no award, there's also not a ceremony speech and there's also not a Nobel Prize lecture. So this is it.